What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this stunning John Cooper Works Mini Cooper in for our level 1 protection package, as well as full front end PPF. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So we have to give the car a thorough clean outside the studio to ensure there is no dirt or contaminants left on the car before we start applying the PPF. If you wasn't aware, we do have our own detailing range, so when we're decontaminating a vehicle, we are using all our own products. A typical decontamination consists of our Snow Foam Plus, citrus pre-wash, iron fallout remover, as well as our wash shampoo. Here are just a few of the imperfections on the rest of the car before we start our machine polish. As part of our level 1 package, this car will receive our multi-stage paint correction, so now you can see Callum just going around the entire car, removing any imperfections. You may notice that we are using both the Flex Nano polisher as well as the Roops 5-inch polisher. This just ensures we can get as much coverage as the car as possible when we're polishing. So guys, that's the paint correction all done now. As you can see, it's looking fantastic. So now we can go ahead and start applying this Ceramic Pro 9H. As this car is in for our level 1 protection package, it will get a single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H followed by a single layer of Ceramic Pro top coat. This is where the customer's 5-year warranty comes in. Right, so you've just seen Callum apply the Ceramic Pro 9H now, so that's where the customer's 5-year warranty comes in. Now we just need to leave that secure for a little while, and then we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. So now that the single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H has been applied and the wheels have been cleaned, we can go ahead and start applying Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper. With the wheels and calipers now coated with wheel and caliper, Toby came in after work to get the Expel Front End PPF applied. With full front end PPF as well as our level 1 protection package, this customer has chosen a very good level of protection for their car. With the Expo PPF film now applied, we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. You may notice we are using a spray gun rather than an application pad to apply the Ceramic Pro top coat. This just ensures we can cover as much of the car as possible. Now that the Ceramic Pro top coat's been applied, as well as this Ceramic Pro glass, which was done off camera, that's the protection package all done. So as you can see, now we're all done. The car's looking fantastic. Don't forget, if you need any detailing products, head over to nldcc.co.uk or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this Wednesday's video. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.